You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Korean. Yes, it's a kingdom, it's also a dynasty, and I believe it may also mean shipbuilding in Korean. Very important in the history of Korea. So how do you say it? Korean pronunciation, Joseon. Let's see how to pronounce it correctly. You can essentially spell it, you could spell it this way in English. It helps with the pronunciation. Joseon. You could say Joseon, Joseon, Joseon. It's easy. Joseon. Can you pronounce this? Joseon? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.